Yo, what's up? Digital world, it's DMilliZ, the Pacer, Dean Jackson, chilling by the riverside, guys. Trust me, I just love nature, you can't understand. I give thanks for nature every time, I appreciate it. Give me my country life any day over the city life. I'll visit the city, make some money, do some hustling party, but damn, yo, give me this any day, man. I love this. When I'm in nature, I can just feel calm and relaxed, and I don't feel that like an anxiety. I don't feel that worry, hush, rush feeling. So give me nature any day. So guys, today I want to talk to you maybe again about being grateful for your job. Your 9 to 5. If you do a 9 to 5, if you do a part-time job, or if your business even is like a job, because some people in business and the damn business is like a job itself. You know what I mean? The business is the boss, yo. So be grateful for your job, guys. So I like to talk about my personal experience, and I'd like to tell you guys that if it wasn't for my boring ass sucky job, I wouldn't be doing a lot of the things that I'm doing now. I wouldn't be, well, I wouldn't say I wouldn't be doing them, but I wouldn't be going so hardcore at them. If I was in a comfortable job that I liked and everything was squishy and the money was up, I probably wouldn't be pursuing the things I've been pursuing like I'm doing now. I probably wouldn't make all those stickers. I probably wouldn't pursue the music like I'm pursuing it now. Um, Maybe a lot of things I wouldn't be doing like how I'm doing. So guys, always remember, guys, be grateful for your job. So guys, I'm just seeing a fucking snake right now, so that's why I kind of paused. A big ass fucking snake. I don't like snakes, not a big snake, but a decent sized snake, guys. So we're gonna see if we can get a glimpse of this motherfucker, yo. It's a big boy, yo. One of the bigger ones I've seen. Must be one of them water dudes, yo. Hold on there. I turn snake hunter to pussy cloud. Yeah, man, it's a big boy, yo. I don't even want to get too close to him, Ross, but him big. Oh shit! Can you see that? I wonder if him dead. Right today, man, a big snake that, They want to disturb him, but yeah. It look like him dead. Holy shit. That's a big, well, that's a relatively big dude. If I'm not moving now, I probably mean him dead, yo. So let's check this motherfucker out, yo. Oh shit, that motherfucker is alive. That motherfucker is alive. Yeah, let's let him be, yo. Let's let him be. I don't like snakes, so I'm not gonna fuck with snakes. I think it's good luck to see snakes, actually. So anyway, guys, yeah, so as I was saying, guys, be grateful for your job, right? Because it pays the bills. Consider it your investment, guys. It invests in you. You invest in it. Yeah, so in summary, so sorry about that. The snake kind of distracted me and I lost my chain of thought. But in summary, guys, just be grateful for your job. There's a lot to learn in that sucky boring job. There's a lot of characters that you need to observe so you can learn from them if you want to be like them or you don't want to be like them. It pays the bills. Be grateful for that. It keeps the water on, it keeps the heat on, it keeps the food on the plate. And it put fire under your ass to pursue your dreams. Cause tell the truth, guys, if a lot of you are making $1 million or $10,000 a month, a lot of you wouldn't even think about your dreams. A lot of you be like, oh man, this is a nice job. Shit, I get 10,000. Oh man, I can buy my Benz in my house. Oh, and you would stop thinking about your fucking dreams. So when you have that sucky ass job, it put the fire under your ass to really think what the fuck you want out of life. So be grateful for the job, guys. There's some boring parts, But there's always something to learn, guys. Oh, and keep in mind, guys, you know, your vibration will create how your job affects you. It's how you react to the job that you have, you know. If you have a sucky ass job, you can react like, oh man, this sucks, and you can put on a screw face all day. Or you can just say, you know what, I'm not gonna be here forever. I'm not gonna be here for long. So let me just work with the people around me, get together, be strong, teamwork, and just make the situation work and learn what needs to be learned so God can move you the fuck up out of that place. You know what I mean? Keep on pursuing your dreams, guys. Keep on living up. Be grateful for the job. Be grateful for life. If you don't know, DMilliZ out. Bless up.